What are some of the things that you'd like to tell people, people who are fashion forward, but also people who want to pursue the entertainment, careers in the entertainment and media industry? What would be your word to them? What do they do? How do they gain the self-confidence and all of that?
Yeah, so number one, we need to understand that the dynamics of mainstream radio and TV have changed so much. Social media plays a very, very, very big role in you getting the jobs that you want. Because for a long period of time, nilikuwa nashinda nimejiuliza, mbona naenda na audition hizi places and I think maybe I have a good voice, but I don't get the jobs. But unapata, it's more than the talent, it's more than the voice, it's more than the degree that you have. It's a lot more about how you package yourself. That's why utapata kuna watu huko nje, kina Eve Mungai, kina presenter Ali, who are cashing in a lot of money from media because they've beaten the odds and they've decided to go the extra mile. Uko na simu yako, unafanya nini nayo? Unaishinda ukicomplain, why are they picking the same people juu wako wazuri kwa social media? Wewe umefanya nini kwa social media? Mbona hujajiweka out there? So it's about you putting yourself out there. The dynamics has changed. Like hakuna mse anakuja akuchukue hiyo na kupatie job at internship ni nini hivyo. If you're waiting for that, then I'm sorry, you'll be waiting for quite a long time. Put yourself out there. You have a phone, ni 1080, ni 4K, shoot nayo. Itajipa eventually. There's TikTok, there's Instagram, there's YouTube. You're not being charged a membership fee kuingia kwa hizi social media platforms. Put your craft out there. The reason as to why I eventually got into Energy, you can watch my first video, 2 kids auditioning for Energy Radio in 2018. I didn't get it because I wasn't it. Sikuwa nakapoa, sikuwa nimejibrand fiti, nilienda kanunua wig, nilienda nika make sure najua kuchora eyebrows. So you have no reason not to employ me. The talent is there, the branding is there. I look like the brand, you embody the brand kabisa. And if you're a comedian, if you're a dancer, it's an added advantage. Do what you're good at and they'll find you.